Alright, hi guys, it's Harry Crafty here. Today is Sunday, April 16th, 2017. Here's a video of at my uncle's house, these two air conditioners. I'm going to get to one of them. I'm waiting for one to come on. Should be the big one, which is a 2-speed, 2-stage air conditioner. I'm still waiting! Nope. Ugh. So I don't know what brand this is. This is I know this is a 2-stage. This is a Carrier weather shield.
Yeah.
I don't know why this one isn't firing.
I wonder why it ain't on.
Did you turn it down below 68 degrees?
You know what? You're right. Maybe that's it.
It's 68 in the house. You have to put it below.
Oh, geez.
You have to try to get this one on after it. I'll make a second video for that, but just get this one started. Sorry, guys. We had some trouble with the thermostat. This one should come on. Drop it to like 66 or 67, and it should come on. Still waiting, guys. Just give us a minute. I'm gonna stay back here because I don't want it to scare me. Actually, I'll go over here. Still waiting. There we go. It's running. It came on. So it's running now. It's a 2-stage, and it sounds like it's running on its lower stage. Yep. Just after this video, we'll have to get the Carrier going, but just wait until I make this video, okay? Oh, there we go. Now it's kicking in. Now it's getting to its other sets of just trying to wipe all the stuff off the top. So I'm looking at the data tag. Oh, here we go. It says Bryant. This is a Bryant. How is that cold already? I don't believe that. I don't even know what this is. A thermostat wire? He's got to get some insulation on these pipes, but they're already cold. Refrigerant lines are cold. See if you can see inside. I can't. So I don't know where the air handler is, but I might as well make 4 videos because I'm here for a while. But look at this poor thing. It's covered in vines, especially over here. Oh, look, there you go. Nice dent in the coil. Okay, if my camera would look at it. It's very quiet. Let me just walk over here. Here, let me try something. Restart. So that's what it would sound like starting up. What brand is the fan motor? I don't think I can see. Sorry, my videos are... Oh. GE. No wonder it has that really nice fan motor startup. But the thing is, you should be able to see through these coils, and you can't. This is a Bryant. I don't even know the size. Indoor oh, it's a TXV. It's a TXV model. Okay, it's 5. The serial is 4598E03156. So I guess it might be a 5 nominal ton. This is a large house. So here's just the back of it. And this is a two-stage. So go inside, hopefully find the air handler. So I'll be right back. As I go inside. Hey, I'm Seth. Where's the air handler at? Is it downstairs?
What?
The air handler.
The who?
The air handler. The furnace.
It's in the garage.
Oh, am I allowed to look at it for my video? Or am I allowed to look at it for my video? Cool.
Hey girls.
So right now we're going to see the air handler.
Air handler.
Air handler. That's what it's called. Okay, I hear it. Oh, you gotta get some.
No light. Go down. Just walk on the left side of the motorcycle. Left side
Of the motorcycle? Can you open the garage so I can see?
To the left.
Oh, there's plenty of light.
Yeah. And then you can go in that little room there.
Okay, guys, we're going in here to the air handler. Oh, so it's a SP80 air handler. It's a furnace. It's an 80% efficiency. So there's under the house, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
This is pretty interesting. But so where do your refrigerant? Here's the refrigerant lines. But the thing about it, on the outside, you're gonna need to get insulation put in.
Really?
It's all gone. It doesn't exist. Guys, we'll go back outside to the air handler. We'll go back outside to the condensing unit, excuse me. So it's going to be pitch black because we're going through a pitch black garage. But I'll give you my YouTube channel name, and you should see a video uploaded. So let's go back outside. Are you going to see how you have no insulation? I can show you that. Let's go back outside.
Hey, Harry.
Okay, John, you wanna come see? Uncle John, you wanna come see what I mean by no insulation? Let's go back outside to the I'm recording a video. Let's go back outside to the condensing unit. What? Bryant. So back to the Bryant 2-stage. Now it's a straight cool. Carrier. Now, straight cool. They're both straight cool units. I think the big one's a 5 nominal ton. See, I think this. Well, let's go over to the refrigerant lines. They're cold already. That's cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look at a part 2, and I'll only be able to feature the carrier condensing unit running. I won't be able to go to the air handler. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and nothing else to say. Bye!